is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are meeting up with my good friend Will Motivation. I'll link his channel down below if you guys want to check it out. But right now we are filling up the Jeep. Naturally it needs gas. Naturally I need gas, so I picked up a coffee. But we're heading about 40 minutes that way to meet up with Will for a surprise with his brand new Audi. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Let's go meet Will. In case you're wondering how much it costs to fill up the Jeep, boom, 84 bucks. Gas is about 443-ish. All right, guys, so we made it to Riggs Brothers. It's right across the street right there. We're waiting for Will. He should be here in a few minutes. But let me tell you guys what's going on. So if you guys don't know, Will's a big Audi fan, and he likes to daily drive those cars. Because as you guys know, he's got some supercars that he can't like daily drive. So he's a big Audi fan, and he recently picked up a RS3. And he's worked with this shop before, Riggs Brothers. And what they do is they redo interiors. And he actually brought his F12 here. I have a video I'll link in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. A while back, Will brought his F12 here, and we rode along with him and saw kind of how that works. So his F12 had a black interior. He wanted it red because it's a Ferrari. You got to have a red interior. And these guys absolutely crushed it. There's a video. I'll link it again down below if you guys want to check it out. So that's basically what's going on today. Will drives his cars. He's driving all the way from Ohio, all the way here, and he just picked this car up. If you guys didn't see, he also picked up a Ferrari F8 that he drove basically across the country. So that's what he's doing right now. He's a few minutes away, and yeah, let's see what Riggs Brothers got in store for us. A couple of quick updates. Obviously, I still have the Jeep. Haven't sold that, haven't got rid of it. I'm kind of debating, should I just keep this thing and add something else and slowly build a fleet here, or should I just get rid of it altogether? Second, the BMW. If you guys didn't see, I have a 2002 BMW 325i that has been sitting for God knows how long. And I have it sitting at a shop. Oh, look at that helicopter. Oh, I have it sitting at a shop, and the guy that it's sitting by actually lost the key. So the car's been sitting there for I think like 6 or 7 years, and I don't even blame the guy, but he lost the key. He's currently looking for it. So as soon as he finds it, we're gonna go pick that car up. And I haven't decided what to do with it. Again, do we bring it back to life and make it part of the channel? Do we give it away to somebody like we did with the Lexus with Alex? Let me know what you guys want to see done with the Beamer. But make sure you guys subscribe because we got a couple of epic videos coming. The next video, actually, speaking of Audi, we are doing a video on a beautiful, beautiful Audi e-tron GT. And this thing is absolutely insane. It's a all-electric Audi, and it is just beautiful. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm so excited to do that video. And yeah, I look forward to sharing that with you guys. All right, guys, so Will just pulled up, and check out the whip. This thing is super sick. Will's telling me this thing's a little rocket ship. Looks super clean. And yeah, he just told me what's going to be going on here, guys, so make sure you stay tuned. This guy's nuts. It's going to look super sick. But in the meantime, we're going to go grab breakfast real quick and then come back to the shop to drop it off. Jeep's going to hang out here while we go. One last look at this thing. Super sick. All right, let's go. We just wrapped up breakfast and we're back at Riggs Brothers with the Audi and got the Gladiator back there. But guys, Will just told me what he's doing to the interior of his brand new Audi. This thing's got less than 1,000 miles and he's completely revamping the entire interior. Let me show you guys what it looks like right now and what he's planning on doing to it. All right, so again, this is Will's brand new Audi RS3. Take a look at the interior of this thing. We just took a quick ride in it. This thing is super sweet. It is an absolute missile. Take a look at the interior, guys. This beautiful interior. Look at those seats that just hug you. Look at that. 900 miles. Swapping out the whole interior. But wait till you guys see what he's got planned. I kind of agree with it. So like I told you guys last time, we were here with Will's Ferrari F12. He actually swapped out the entire interior to a beautiful red interior. And that's exactly what he's planning on doing with his brand new Audi RS3. It's gonna look absolutely crazy. I love the interior. I love how the seats look. So it's gonna look awesome once it's converted to all red. So make sure you guys stay tuned to see what it looks like. Also check out Will's channel. There's a link in the description box below. Big shout out to Riggs Brothers and Will. Yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, so I just dropped Will off back at the airport. We took his RS3 back to Riggs Brothers, dropped it off, took Will back to the airport, and he told me in a few weeks he'll be back once the RS3 is complete. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the inside. It's gonna look insane. So that is all I have for you guys in today's video. I'm heading to Glenview Luxury Imports to take a look at their beautiful Audi e-tron GT. I can't wait to review that car for you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned and give this video a thumbs up. Guys, don't forget, don't be average.